Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing evidence and environment. Record the exact device model and iOS version, then reproduce the crash with clear steps and timestamps so you can test reliably. Once done, enable developer diagnostics and collect the device console and crash logs via Xcode Organizer. This shows the stack trace. Make sure to build a version with debug symbols or use test flight so symbolication works. These steps let you see where execution fails and guide your next fixes. Now analyze the data. Symbolicate the crash log to map addresses to functions and identify the crashing thread and instruction. Then run the app in Xcode with an exception breakpoint and thread sanitizer to catch race conditions and memory errors at runtime. Step through relevant functions and inspect variables to see why a value is nil or unexpectedly released. Also review async callbacks and completion handlers. Once you isolate the offending call path, you can craft a targeted fix. Finally, implement focused fixes and verify them. Add safeguards like guard-let and input validation, fix retain cycles with weak/strong patterns, and ensure permission flows are handled. Make sure to run unit and UI tests, fuzz inputs, and test across devices and iOS versions to confirm stability. If crashes persist, reproduce the issue in a minimal sample app or temporarily roll back to a stable build while you simplify the failing code. One troubleshooting tip: isolate the failing module early to avoid guessing at causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.